chew this after lunch to keep your breath fresh all day. Bad breath after lunch can be a concern, but the solution might be simpler than you think. By chewing the right foods or herbs after a meal, you can keep your breath fresh throughout the day without needing to brush immediately. Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Here are some top options that help maintain oral freshness. 1. Parsley, often overlooked. Parsley is a natural breath freshener. Its chlorophyll neutralizes odors and its antibacterial properties help fight bacteria in the mouth. Simply chew a few fresh sprigs after lunch to freshen your breath. 2. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are a traditional remedy for bad breath. Rich in anethole, fennel offers a sweet, aromatic flavor while stimulating saliva production. Chewing fennel seeds can also promote digestion and prevent bad breath caused by indigestion. 3. Mint. Mint, with its menthol content, provides a cooling effect that freshens the mouth. It also has antibacterial properties to combat oral bacteria. Whether chewing fresh leaves or enjoying mint tea, mint is a powerful ally in keeping your breath fresh after lunch. 4. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that fight bacteria and neutralize bad breath. Sipping a cup of green tea after lunch helps freshen breath while improving overall oral health. 5. Apples. An apple is not just a healthy snack, it also helps freshen breath. The fiber in apples scrubs food particles from your teeth, and the natural water content stimulates saliva production to clean the mouth. 6. Cardamom. Cardamom is a potent spice known for its ability to fight bacteria in the mouth. Chewing a few cardamom pods after lunch can help keep your breath aromatic and fresh. By incorporating these simple foods and herbs into your routine, you can easily keep your breath fresh all day. Ready for a cleaner mouth and more confident smile? Want to eliminate bad breath and feel confident every time you smile? Click the link below in the description to get more details. Thanks for watching.